Hello everyone. Today we will learn about 7th schedule. 7th schedule contains three lists: state list, concurrent list, union list. State government makes rules on subjects enumerated in state list. Both state government and central government makes rules on subjects enumerated in concurrent list. Central government makes rules on subjects enumerated in union list. The subjects which are not mentioned in state list, concurrent list, union list are known as residuary subjects. Residuary subjects are those subjects which are not mentioned in state list, concurrent list, union list. So, central government makes rules on subjects on residuary subjects. So, central government only makes the rules on residuary subjects. Parliament can make rules on state list also. On, there are 5 conditions for this. Parliament can make rules on subjects which are enumerated in state list, but on which conditions? During 5 circumstances. First one is during national emergency. During national emergency, Parliament can make rules on subjects enumerated in state list. Second one is during president rule. During president rule, Parliament can make rules on subjects enumerated in state list. Third one is to give effect for international treaty. Fourth one is when two or more states make joint request to Parliament to make rules on state list. Fifth one is when Rajya Sabha makes a resolution for this. So these are the 5 circumstances when Parliament makes rules on state list. I hope you have understood this topic well. That's all about 7th schedule. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and also share this video.